These umbrellas make a really big difference to the feel of this patio.
This one, because of the size of the area and the way we were able to mount them, the mounting of this is spectacular because most of the time if someone has an existing patio or an existing deck, you have to go with a conventional base.
And as a designer, those bases are really hard.
32 inches square, about 5 inches high, not the best architectural feature of anything. This customer, because they were doing the bluestone, we were able to do concrete mounts into the concrete. We left a very flush look and very clean look.
Are they hard to take up and down?
Very simple. What you're going to do is release it in the frame, bring it down somewhat. You're going to do the cranking of the opening or the closing, and then you'll bring it forward. Very, very simple. These rotate 360 degrees around. So what that means is that if you have a seating and a dining area, you don't necessarily have to buy two different umbrellas. You can buy one, position it in the center, and then basically move it back and forth in order to cover whatever area wants to be covered at that time. This client wanted to cover both areas at the same time. Therefore, it's the reason we went with two cantilevers.
It really makes a difference. I mean, I feel like we're in direct sun here. If these umbrellas were not here, it would be too hot to sit.
Correct.
That's super easy. Yeah.